Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of love.
Hey, it's your girl Tiera.amber here, and I'm back with another video. Huge thank you to UNiceHair for sponsoring today's video. This is their 24-inch 13x4 pre-everything transparent lace body wave wig. Of course, a whole bunch of goodies came in the box, but let's get to the good stuff, which is the wig. What makes this wig so great is that everything is literally done for you. It's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-cut, and it even came with curls already in the wig. The wig construction is so nice in this wig. Of course, you have your elastic band, you have 3 combs, your wig straps, and you also have an invisible drawstring in the back of the wig. I promise, when you put this wig on, it's not going anywhere. The 13x4 frontal in this wig makes it so easy to try out different styles. As you can see, you can free part this hair. You can do a side part, half up, half down. I definitely did play around with the styles towards the end of the video, so make sure you continue watching and you see what I come up with. Lastly, this wig does come with some lace adhesive on the ear tabs of the wig if that's how you want to install it. You can also use lace glue or lace spray. This is all your preference. I decided to use the lace tape so I wouldn't have to use any glue in the middle of the wig, and it was very secure. The wig even comes with extra lace tape if you enjoyed this method. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed this wig. UNice wigs are literally perfect for beginners. They give you everything you need to have a flawless install. I highly recommend. I love their hair quality. It's always so thick, so shiny. Huge thank you to UNice again. Well, that's it. I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna let the unit speak for itself. If you are new here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 1K, so please help me get there. As always, I appreciate y'all's support, and I cannot wait to see y'all in my next video. Mwah.
But you Can you rock with me?